Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about your training program that you should have already got in your Trainerize app. We're going to be going through a few different things like rep ranges, tempo, how to perform the exercises so that you get optimal results from the training program that you're doing. Okay, so you would have seen in your app, there'll be beside when it says your rep ranges, it's going to say between 5 to 10 reps, 8 to 12 reps, 10 to 15, 10 to 20. So what that means is we want to use a weight that we can do for, if it says between 5 and 10, you want to use a weight that you can do between 5 and 10 reps, but we want the last rep to be almost failure, not quite failure, okay? So we don't want to be performing the movement and we can't get any more reps and then we stop, okay? We want to leave it so that there's maybe 1 or 2 reps remaining in the tank. So what we're going to do is say for between 5 and 10 reps is week 1 on the first set, you make it 7 reps. The second set, you make it 6 reps, okay? So you're going to log that in your Trainerize app. So next week, when you go to perform the same movement, if you get 7 reps and 6 reps week 1, week 2, we want to be getting 1 rep more. So we want to be getting 8 reps and 7 reps. The following week, 9 reps and 8 reps. Then the following week, 10 reps and 9 reps. Once you get to the end of the range, so if you're able to perform 10 repetitions of the movement easily, then what we're going to do is we're going to move up to the next dumbbell, or we're going to add a little bit weight to the bar. We're going to add a little bit of weight to the cable machine, depending on what movement that is, okay? So all your rep ranges are going to be different. Different muscle groups are going to respond best to different training ranges. So for something like a squat, we don't want to be doing sets of 20 on the squat because we want the muscle that we're targeting. So for the squat, our quad muscles, we want that to be the reason why we can't do any more repetitions, that our quad muscles are so exhausted we can't do any more reps. What you'll find is with the squat, if you're doing more than 10 reps, it's usually your lungs are going to give out. You're not going to be able to breathe. You're going to be like huffing and puffing. So that's why for stuff like squats, deadlifts, big compound movements that we're using the barbell for, we're going to be doing slightly lower reps. When we get to smaller muscle groups, we say the biceps, the triceps, shoulders, those muscle groups respond really well to high volume. If you're doing a lateral raise where you're raising the dumbbells out to the side, you're not going to be able to do a very, very high weight. You're going to be doing low weight, but high repetitions to really build that volume. Those muscle groups are going to respond best to that, okay? So that's our rep ranges. So in the following videos, we're going to be going through some of the more advanced techniques and the tempo of the exercises.